Hey everyone, welcome to Shopideals YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how you can make hair serum at home. Before starting the video, I am introducing the best hair growth formula from the link given in description. Just check out to get long hairs in a short time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's get straight to the video without wasting any time. These days hair serum has become a vital part of our hair care routine. We all wish for long, healthy and gorgeous tresses, and hair serum plays an important role in fulfilling that wish. Hair serum is basically a hair care solution that keeps our hair soft and shiny and prevents frizz and tangles. Hair serum is typically applied on clean wet hair or dry hair. Hair serums are usually non-sticky in nature. Hair serums generally work by forming a thin layer on each hair strand, protecting it from dirt. So clearly hair serum is a must-have in our kitty to get long, lustrous locks. Hair serum is generally used to tame curly and frizzy hair. We often use hair serum to protect our hair from the hair styling tools such as dryers, flat and curling irons. Hair serum smoothens our hair follicles and protects our hair from tangles. Hair serum nourishes our hair and makes them strong, silky and shiny. Moreover, hair serums also protect our hair from overexposure to sun. Hair serums can be gel or oil-based. Most commercial hair serums contain amino acids, silicone oil and alcohol. Over time, such hair serums can make our hair dry and cause buildups too. So, we basically end up damaging our hair in pursuit to protect it. But don't stress. Homemade hair serums can be excellent substitute to the commercial hair serums. Let's take a look on how to make hair serum at home. Hair serum recipe 1. Ingredients: avocado oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil. Take a small bowl and put 4 tablespoons avocado oil there. To this, add 2 tablespoons each of jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil and almond oil. Stir well with a spoon and your homemade hair serum is ready. This can be stored in a glass container. This homemade hair serum is the perfect blend of essential oils that can nourish our hair from inside and bring back its original shine. If dull, lifeless hair is bothering you, give this a go. Hair serum recipe 2. Ingredients: grapeseed oil, lavender oil and vitamin E capsule. Take 8 tablespoons of grapeseed oil in a glass bowl and add 10 to 12 drops of lavender oil to it. Prick the vitamin E capsules, 2 to 3 capsules, and squeeze out the oil. Mix well. Put it in a glass bottle and give it a good shake and your homemade hair serum is ready to use. This is a super effective hair serum that can transform your dry, brittle hair into strong, healthy and naturally bouncy. Use this hair serum on clean, wet hair. Hair serum recipe 3. Ingredients: coffee, honey. Take 4 tablespoons of coffee powder in a small bowl. To this, add 2 tablespoons of honey and 4 tablespoons of freshly boiled hot water. Mix well till it forms a smooth paste. Wet your hair a little for ease of application. Apply on hair and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with shampoo. Coffee strengthens hair and also acts as a great color booster for hair. Honey adds a natural shine to the hair and keeps it moisturized. Please check the link given in description below to get hair growth formula in a short time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and share.